Hello, I'm Andreas Kalka and this is a video sent by Pavel from the Czech Republic. He has developed a technique following some instructions of mine, and he improved it even in this way that you can make your own CDS a way that is very, very easy. I call it the jungle version, or wherever you are. So actually you mix in these bottles now the MMS and the chlorine dioxide, and you put it together in this plastic bottle. You screw it tight and you put it into another glass where you put hot water in. The hot water is to create the evaporation, and to make it even faster there's a little motor you can see there. This is from a bubbler motor who pushes air into the first bottle where the reaction is going on. The fish tank bubbler is pushing the gas from the first bottle into the others. You can see he's swirling it right around now into the first just standard water bottle, and you can see very fast that it's turning yellow. What's all the air this is coming out, it's going to the second bottle, and from the second to the third. So actually this is a very easy going fast system. You can do it with the little engine or with the little compressor, which air compressor you can see, and it bubbles away. This is really, really easy. Obviously you can improve all these things. You can put stones from the aquarium or whatever, but this is a very easy way to do it. Any way works, because it is just a question of having more or having less CDS, that's chlorine dioxide solution. Anyway, you put it one into the other. We can see it very nice here how it's bubbling, and when the first solution is saturated, you can just take it off and put another bottle in and go to the next. You never have to switch it off actually, and you can go on and on and on and on until the first solution is really, really empty. You can see the tubes he's using are silicone tubes. These silicone tubes are resistant to chemicals. It is they don't have to be stiff tubes, but it has to be stiff to material. This is high oxidating, light, like CDS. Now we can see down here how it's bubbling in the bottom. It's the golden brown liquid, and the gas is coming out this tube, going right into the first tube, which is already turned yellow. The yellow color indicates that it's a chlorine dioxide solution. Once it's really, really saturated, the next bottle will turn yellow too, and when this bottle is saturated, we'll go to the next. So the good thing of this system is that you really use everything up. Instead of taking the water bath there, you can make a baby heater or a baby bottle, or you can make anything you want. You're able and free to make it your way. This is not a problem. But you have to think about various things. Never put metal inside any part, because the metal side, except if it's a very special high quality titanium or whatever, they may react with the chlorine dioxide. Chlorine dioxide will rust everything due to its oxidation potential. By the way, this way of making chlorine dioxide solutions, CDS, is not explosive as long as you keep it in the water. So, as you can see, it is bubbling down there on the right, and it still goes on, and it's really quite fast, because in this moment, only in 4 minutes, we have the first bottle near to saturation, and the second bottle is turning yellow already. So we will go on till the first initial bottle, where the MMS, it's the sodium chloride mixed with the citric acid, or with any other acid. You can put any other acid too. You can put HCl even, if you prefer this, in a lower dose, not too high because it's too strong. For example, you can use a 4 to 6% HCl solution too. But the point is that you want to have the gas. Anything else does not matter. Once the gas is done, like now after 5 minutes, it's in the end it will be finished, and you can just leave it like it is and put another of these bottles, water bottles, in. Many people ask me, how long will it last? Well, actually, if the bottle is full and there's not too much space left from the liquids, in this moment the CDS solution is lasting very long, because I have some bottles from the beginning and they're still okay. You say maybe they lose a little bit of strength, but they're still okay if they're stored in conveniently. I prefer for long time storage a glass bottle with no metal parts or metal taps. They have to be closed by something else, like a plastic tap or something that is not that will not rust. Actually, I have no experience on long term with PET, like these bottles in front. They're perfect to make it. I don't know if they're perfect on long time, I doubt. But it is okay if you are outside or you do something or you will use it up in the next week. It will not harm you more than anything you might eat somewhere in a fast food restaurant. So this is a very, very nice setup and the easy setup how you can do it. If you have not a compressor by the hand, you can use, well, just blowing into this. You don't have to suck, just blow with any kind of air pump, or even without the compressor. It will last longer. What does it mean? If you do not put the compressor to bubble, it will last much longer till you have all everything done. It's not in minutes, it maybe take hours. The best temperature is it's about 60 degrees Celsius. I don't know how much is this in Fahrenheit. Maybe somebody can write it afterwards underneath. But this is the way how you can do it easily. You don't have to have 3 bottles too. You can do it with 1 bottle. This is not a problem at all. Just do it in a way, and I think you don't have to spend about $70 just to have this kind of solution. Anybody can do this. You can check the strength of your chlorine solution with chlorine strips, and this is very useful to know how strong it is. Now you can see the different strength, testing the different solutions for the 3rd, 2nd and 1st bottle. As you can see, there is quite a big difference. You can test it by chlorine strips or simply by the color of the liquid too, because the yellow color indicates the strength. And I hope you liked it, and I like it very much. I have to say thank you to Pavel, who made this video for us, and I just put my voice under to make you know that everything is like it has to be. So if there are any questions, well, write it underneath, and I will try when I have some time, because in these times we are very, very busy making a documentary about forbidden health. Here with Dan Bender, and I hope we will finish this documentary and will surprise you all soon. So thank you very much and see you. Bye bye.